In today's tech driven world, there is a fascinating concept emerging at the forefront of artificial intelligence. It's called generative AI, and it's changing the way we think, create, and interact with machines. But what exactly is generative AI, and why is it causing such a stir in the tech community? Well, let's take a deep dive and demystify generative AI. But before we do that, please make sure to enable the subscribe button to Intellipaat YouTube channel. First of all, let's talk about AI in a broader context. Most of what we see in AI today is really machine learning. Machine learning enables computer systems with the ability to learn from examples. The algorithms that enable machines to do impossible are termed as neural networks. One main way they learn is by being given lots of examples to learn from. For example, if we want to teach a network how to recognize a cat, then that would involve a human introducing the network to lots of examples of what a cat looks like and tagging its images accordingly. That's how the model learns to distinguish between cat and other details in an image. So in short, every AI model requires a specific kind of input and a training to perform a certain task. As in case of cat image detection, it requires a multitude of cat images for training so that it would be able to predict whether a new image is cat or not. But unlike traditional AI, generative AI goes one step further. A generative model can take what it has learned from the examples and create something entirely new based on that particular information. Hence the word generative. Large language models such as Bard, ChatGPT are one type of generative AI since they generate new combinations of text in the form of natural sounding language. That's not it. We also have tools like DALL-E, Imagine, Audio LM, Finaki that can create images, audios as well as video outcomes once provided with textual command. Wondering how this works? Well, let me shed some light on that. Similar to traditional AI, generative AI requires three things: data, training, and model. The data is like a treasure chest for the generative AI model. It's a collection of images, text, or anything we want it to learn from. For instance, if we want the AI to create beautiful landscape, we feed it loads of pictures of nature. Now comes the training part. This is when our AI learns from the data. Just like how we learn from experience and improve our skills, the AI model learns by recognizing patterns and gaining insights from the data we provide. It's like teaching the robot step by step, guiding it through the creative process. The ML models employed to create generative models are generative adversarial networks or GANs and variational autoencoders. GANs consist of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, engage in a creative duel. The generator attempts to produce realistic data, while the discriminator strives to differentiate between real and generated data. Through this adversarial process, GANs continuously refine their skills until the generated content is virtually indistinguishable from the real data. On the other hand, variational autoencoders work differently. They focus on learning a compressed representation called the latent space of the input data. By navigating this latent space creatively, variational autoencoders generate new data that shares characteristics with the original data, sparking new ideas and artistic expressions. The fact that generative AI is not designed to analyze and understand data, but to create it is what makes it revolutionary. It can create remarkably lifelike images of things it has never seen before, like generating stunning realistic human pictures or even dreamlike landscapes, or even designing artificial clothing to composing original music. It can do it all. In a sense, generative AI is an unprecedented leap in AI technology, one that opens up infinite possibilities for creativity, innovation, and human-machine interaction. So make sure to make use of wide array of tools generative AI brings to the table and await more astounding revelations in the AI domain. And that's a wrap. I hope this simplified version provided you with valuable insights. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the Intellipaat YouTube channel for more exciting content.